Yes, people, welcome to a new video, and we're gonna compare two platforms for you together. And the first one is of course Kajabi, and the second one is Thinkific. So first we're gonna cover Kajabi, and then we're gonna cover Thinkific, and then we're gonna give you a clear conclusion at the end. Well, the all-in-one platform, similar to its comparison with LearnWorlds, and we compare LearnWorlds and Kajabi already. Kajabi offers a comprehensive suite of tools for course creation, website building, email marketing, and sales funnels. This integrated approach appeals to users who prefer having all their tools in one place for convenience and ease of management. The ease of use. Kajabi is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to users of all technical levels. The platform provides intuitive drag-and-drop editors and pre-designed templates, streamlining the course creation process. Well, something about the customization. While Kajabi does offer customization options, they may not be as extensive as those provided by Thinkific. However, users can still personalize their course and websites to reflect their branding and style preferences. Well, the fourth one we're gonna cover is marketing tools. Kajabi places a strong emphasis on marketing features, providing tools for email campaigns, landing pages, and sales funnels. This can be advantageous for entrepreneurs who want not only create courses, but also effectively market and sell them. Well, the pricing. Kajabi's pricing plans are structured to reflect its all-in-one nature, which may result in higher costs compared to some competitors. However, users often find value in the convenience and integration offered by the platform. Well, if you're still here, we're gonna cover Thinkific. Well, and it's a course-centric platform. Thinkific is primarily focused on the course creation and delivery, offering a range of features tailored specifically for this purpose. This allows Thinkific to excel in providing tools and resources geared towards creating engaging and effective online courses. Well, extensive customization. Thinkific stands out for its extensive customization options, allowing users to fully personalize their courses and websites to align with their branding and style preferences. This includes customizable templates, branding options, and the ability to create a unique learning environment. Well, the flexibility. Thinkific offers flexibility in terms of course structure and pricing models. Users can create various types of courses, from one-time purchases to subscription-based models, and even offers free courses. This flexibility appeals to a wide range of course creators with different business models, and that's very nice. Community and support. Thinkific emphasizes community building features and provides robust support resources for course creators. This includes access to a community forum, educational resources, and customer support to help users maximize the platform potential. Well, the pricing. Thinkific pricing plans are structured to accommodate users at different stages of their course creation journey, from beginners to established entrepreneurs. The platform offers a free plan with basic features as well as paid plans with additional functionalities and support. Choosing between the two. Deciding between Kajabi and Thinkific depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize an all-in-one solution with a strong focus on marketing and sales features, Kajabi might be the better choice. However, if you value extensive customization options, flexibility in course structure and pricing models, and a supportive community, Thinkific could be more suitable. It's advisable to explore both platforms through free trials and demos to determine which one aligns the best with your requirements. So guys, if you're still here, I hope you can subscribe and like this video, and I wish to see you in the next video, in the next comparison. Rest to wish you a very good day. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.